guys, I'm Ankita and welcome to my channel. Yeah, I know, it's been so long that I haven't posted any video, or I would say I just started and vanished. Sorry for that. From now onwards, I'll be posting my videos regularly and try to share something informative with you guys. So, are you someone who loves to stay updated with latest fashion trends? Do you have an eye for style and making yourself and others look good? Do you have a flair for creativity and innovation? If the answer to the above questions is yes, then guess what? A career in fashion might be the right path for you to explore. A blend of creativity, style, originality and aesthetic sensibilities is what a career in fashion demands. And if you possess just the right mix, this highly glamorous industry awaits. If you are a young fashion enthusiast looking for a career option in fashion industry, here is a spectacular list of fashion and style related careers that are surely going to make you go whoa. Let's explore them. Fashion designer needs no introduction. We are all familiar with their work and idealized designers such as Manish Malhotra, Sabyasachi, Ritu Kumar, Mazaba Gupta, etc. However, if you are someone living under a rock, let me clarify that a fashion designer creates original clothing, footwear, accessories, jewelleries, etc. They sketch designs, select fabrics, patterns and textures, and style outfits and looks. Fashion stylist. Fashion stylists are also known as fashion advisors. As the word advisor itself says advising, so yeah, their work is to advise or pick the right piece of garment, accessories, according to figure types, complexion and the kind of occasion the dress is getting selected for. Big time Bollywood celebrities hire stylists on a regular basis for red carpet events and parties. Fashion stylists work for individuals, fashion houses and clothing brands. Fashion bloggers. The easiest way to describe a fashion blogger is someone who is known primarily for their websites. It might be photo based or written. Fashion bloggers have a point of view, a certain taste and a unique way of presenting and documenting fashion. Most of the times they work individually. Costume designer. A costume designer is a fashion professional who is responsible for creating looks for actors and actresses in film, television and stage productions. A costume designer must have a thorough understanding of film, production theatre, marketing and fashion design. Fashion illustrator. A fashion illustrator creates apparel designs by hands or using computer applications. When you are a fashion illustrator, your drawings are usually the first thing that a fashion stylist or a fashion buyer will look at in order to make decisions for their clients. As a fashion illustrator, you typically work for a fashion designer or design house. Visual merchandiser. A visual merchandiser uses their skills to help promote images, products and services of retail businesses and other organizations. They create eye-catching product displays and store layouts and design to attract customers and encourage them to buy. Fashion forecaster. A fashion forecaster is a global career that focuses on upcoming trends. A fashion forecaster predicts colors, fabrics, patterns, textures, materials, prints, graphics, beauty and grooming, accessories and whatnot that will be presented on the runway and in the stores for upcoming seasons. According to me, it is the coolest job in fashion industry. Accessory designer. Accessory designer conceptualize and create designs for jewelleries, handbags, shoes, ties, belts, hats, gloves, etc. to go with clothing. Accessory design is a highly competitive field that requires a lot of self-motivation. They must always stay in touch not only with trends in their own specialities but also within apparel and fabric market. In order to create pieces that complement the new hot styles in the market. designer. Wait, what is this textile by the way? We all have heard and seen the term textiles, but many of us don't know what does textile means. Textile is nothing but a type of material composed of natural or synthetic fibers. That is nothing but a fabric. Textile design is a highly skilled job. It involves creating designs, patterns of woven and knitted fabrics, carpeting, upholstery, and patterned or printed surfaces. Clothing, upholstery, and carpeting are obvious textile products. Retail manager. Retail managers are head of personnel in a retail store. They oversee all in-store operations, supervise employees' activities, organize and arrange schedules, and manage a variety of administrative tasks. They are often hired by retail stores. There are many other career options in fashion industry. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and for more updates press the bell icon given below. Thanks for watching.